Chào mọi người nha. Today's lesson is about three vowel sounds a. The first one is long a. So we have a, a. And the second one is short a. The a with a moon on the top. So when you pronounce it, it is a, a. This one is a. This one is a. And because it's a short a, so it's always go with a final consonant. And you need to know this letter, the name of it is a, a. Okay, and let's listen very carefully to notice the length of the vowel sound in the word. This one is name, name. It means, and then we have nam. All right, one more time. Nam, năm. Okay, next. An, ăn, a, ăn. Okay. A, an. And in the South, when the words go with ending in, so people say it with ending ng. And these two words are pronounced the same. An, and only in the southern dialect. All right. And then similar we have ăn, ăn. And we have similar rule for this one. The ending t, we pronounce it into ending c. And we have mac, mac. This one k, k, k. Mac, mac. And then we have mac. All right. When you write it, it is eyes. It means eyes. Yeah, when you read it, so the spelling has the meaning eyes, but this one is had the meaning expensive, mắc tiền. All right. So the way we say it in southern dialect like the same, but the meaning, the reading, the writing, they has different meaning. So please know that. All right, one more time. This one is mát. This one is mắt. You got it?